Welcome everyone to Project Lasso. So, how are you?
Good.
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 Now, how to draw wavy lines? As she draws her wavy line, she is actually moving her arm. Now, why move your arm? It's important because it will help you draw longer wavy lines. Now, kids, do you understand now how to do it?
Yes.
Yeah. Our lesson for today is all about deconstruction. So in deconstructing, we need to ask ourselves, what shapes can I see from this object? Now you trace it as well, just like at the right part of the picture. Try it yourself. Can someone give me some examples, some shapes that you can see from this object?
Here's some circles. Circle.
Yes, correct.
Rectangle.
Yes, rectangle.
And also
Yes.
a circle.
Yes, correct. Let's check it. Let's check it. Yes, you're all guys are correct. Construction in drawing. This is when you use various shapes to create a reference for your drawing. After we deconstructed it, you add now the details such as the feathers and the wings, the eyes and the beaks and like the feet. Now you have the final drawing of the bird. There will be another lesson, so see you all next week. What flavor is that, Joy?
The flavor of the ice cream is Yakko.
Are you happy with all your drawings? Okay, thank you so much, everyone. I hope to see you again next week. Thank you so much.
Excited for the new art style you're going to learn today? Are you excited, please? Can I hear the aho, aho, aho?
Stippling kids is the creation of a pattern simulating varying degrees of solidity and shading by using small dots.
This is the final week of Project Lasso's art lessons.
So thank you so much, everyone. You may now leave the call.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye and thank you po.
See you next week.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.